I will be showing you now how to create the quote out of the opportunity. So once you create the opportunity within the same screen, if you're happy with what you have and you don't need to add anything, you can just create the quote directly from this screen. Let's hit create quote. Yes. Great, the quote is created and the system will redirect you to the quotes list. At this screen, you will be able to edit your quote before sending to the client. Very important is to add the effective dates for this quote. Usually the effective date should be around 3 days. As you can see in the summary section, all the information from the opportunity has been carried on and recorded under the quote record. The contact information will be also recorded in this corner. It's very visible and useful in case you need to give them a call or send an email. If you're happy with this quote and you're ready to export it to PDF or send it to the client, you will be able to do so. But bear in mind that this quote is in the draft state at the moment. So if you want to activate it, you just hit activate quote.